You have imposed, again, self-imposed this completely arbitrary deadline of 30 days between 4th November and 4th December. You have picked up teachers, part-time teachers, and enlisted them as BLOs who are under tremendous pressure in rural areas to do enumeration forms. The average number of forms that they have to upload per day in my district, for example, now stands at 125 to 150. In a place where you don't have continuous Wi-Fi network, after finishing a full day's work, if a BLO is supposed to upload 125 forms onto a server which is down for 8 hours, day before yesterday, the server was down from 11 p.m. till all of yesterday. After you complete a form, they're saying, please fill it again. No technical glitches have been solved by the Election Commission, as a result of which BLOs are under tremendous pressure, and the Election Commission unfortunately has the blood of 17 BLOs and 30 other normal citizens on their hands. The Election Commission says we are neutral, we are not working for any party. I'm sorry sir, we can't believe that. No logical person can believe that, because when we raise any issues, you don't reply to a single letter that we have sent from the 25th of October, whereas first you sent us a notification saying BLOs can only be from that booth. The BJP in Bengal does not have booth level workers in every booth. So the BJP petitioned the Election Commission, as a result of which the Election Commission changed the notification and said you can have people from other booths. So when the BJP wants something to be done, the Election Commission is only too happy to do it. When we want something done, it falls on deaf ears. What is very important to note is existing law already exists. In the case of one death, Form number 7 exists already in the rules to exclude someone. Number 2, permanently shifted. Form number 8 already exists to exclude the permanently shifted. Number 3, duplication that he is talking about. Today there is no deduplication software in Bihar. Over 15 lakh voters were supposed to be duplicate voters who were not weeded out. They do not have deduplication software. So how is he telling us that he will take out duplicate voters? The 4th, he says only citizens can be allowed to vote. Accepted, we are self-certifying it. But the role to find out whether the person is a citizen or not does not rest with the Election Commission. It is the sole domain of the Ministry of Home Affairs.